Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Pisces. So it's going to be your daily love reading, guys. This is what you feel about your relationship or what your person feels about you. Okay, so let's see what's coming up. Withdraw, embrace change, harmony. Okay, with these cards, I feel you want to withdraw from some situation. Okay, you want to withdraw from your person or withdraw from your relationship. Okay, I think you have to embrace the change, guys. If that is what you want, that is what you want. Like if you want to step out of the relationship, in your heart of hearts you will know what you have to do. If you embrace the change, if you accept the change in your relationship, you will find harmony, guys. So that's what I feel. You have to maintain the balance in yourself. Okay, you have to help yourself by adjusting to the change that is taking place in your relationship. Once you do that, you will find harmony or you will find peace of mind. Okay, so this is what I feel. Let's take 3 more cards from the Power of Love deck. Let's see what's coming up for you all. Withdraw necessarily does not mean you have to step out of the relationship. It can also mean like you can take a break, be silent, view the things from a different perspective. Okay, view your life from a different perspective to get a better clarity of the situation. Okay, and because you're too busy if you're up close to the situation, but when you take a break, step back and see within yourself, you always get a better clarity of the things around you. Okay, let's take 3 more cards. Past, commitment, kindness. Okay, so with the past card, this is what it states, guys, what I was talking about it. When you're up close to the situation, you feel very stagnant. You don't know what is happening around you, but when you withdraw and view that what is creating the issues within you from a distance, you will clearly see the situation and you will know what steps, what action you have to take. Okay, and you are a very committed person and your very being is love. You want to love everybody, you want to love the people around you. Okay, so through love, through commitment, you can overcome the negative things in life, negative energy that is there in your relationship. Okay, this can be vice versa, guys. This can be what you feel about your person or what your person feels about you. Your person may feel like they have to take a break from the relationship, step back and think deep to decide what should be the action. Okay, and kindness, you're a very kind person, or your person may be very kind. They want to help others. Okay, they want to share everything. So overall it's a good thing, but there's some kind of what to say, like some kind of break you need from things. That is what I see here, to get a better result in your relationship, better commitment. Okay, So you have to think deep within yourself and decide what you have to do. Okay, so this is all the energy I'm getting, Pisces, for you all. This is your love reading for today. Please comment whether this video resonated with you all, and please subscribe if you are not subscribed to my channel, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye.